Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn Module 5, the Business Correspondence, the last part, Social Communication Letters to Maintain Goodwill. In the last lecture, we learned about the social communication letters, letters of congratulations, letter in reply to it. After that, second part, the letter of invitation, its acceptance, or a regret letter. You are not going to accept that invitation. And now the next part of social communication letters, the type, that is letter of thanks. Here it is a part of social communication, and when these are public letters, and how most persons are members of professional organizations and fraternities, they have to write down these kind of letters about to maintain or for to maintain their professional work and smooth and cordial relationship with their counterparts in other organizations. See, here is an example of letter of thanks. When someone has rendered a service or participated as a guest in a program, then courtesy requires that a thank you letter should be sent immediately after the event. The following is a specimen. All of you know there is a lectures, guest lectures, invited talks, and the eminent personalities talks on their special subjects. And when we give them invitation in the business world also, there is letter of thanks. See, here is an example. Dear Dr. Thakur, I write on behalf of Vimal Enterprises, Mumbai, to express our sincere appreciation of your time and trouble in participating in our workshop on challenges before Superpower India on last Friday. The fact that you have changed your other appointments to be with us speaks highly of your commitment to the education and training of young people. We do hope you will honor us with your presence again at similar programs. With best regards. Yours sincerely, Shri M. A. Patil, Coordinator. See how here in the thanking letter there is a mentioning of the subject who are who is writing this letter, and after that the thanking for that particular event and for particular lecture. Next part is about letter of appreciation. That is, everyone like to receive a letter of appreciation. Such letters do a great deal for the spirit of understanding. Letters of appreciation should be written with genuine and sincere feelings. See, this is the most important part, genuine and sincere feelings, because the language and style matters so much in this kind of letters. Letters of appreciation should be written with genuine and sincere feelings. They are similar to thank you letters. See, though here are two letters, there is letter of thanks and letter of appreciation. Both of them are similar one, but again it is called as a letter of appreciation, and little bit change in the language of of appreciation. See, here is an example, that is Mohite Textile Limited, D2, MIDC Shiroli, Kolhapur 12, date 15 December 2016. Dear Mr. Shastri, thank you very much for the excellent exposition of the subject of training the office people during the 15-day course you gave. We have gained much that will be useful to us in our career. Above all, we appreciate the patience and the skill with which you ensured that each participant went through some practical experience. We once again highly appreciate for your professional services and the goodwill you have earned for our organization. Among the things we carry back with us is the remembrance of your interesting and informative lectures. We look forward to meeting you soon. With warm regards, yours sincerely, R.Y. Shinde, Manager for Mohite Textiles. See how in this kind of letter there is a two paragraphs. First is of again the thank you for the presentation of or the 15-day course training, and the next is about the appreciation of the professional activities or professional services of that particular person. That's why it is called as a letter of appreciation. Next part is about letter of condolence and sympathy. Letters of condolence express one's sympathy with the relative of the deceased. These letters are to be written soon after misfortune of any kind or the sad news of the death of a person. The letter of condolence should be short and simple. It may include a suitable tribute or a few words of praise for the person whose death has occurred. It is addressed to an employee or to another businessman or business associate. Here you can understand how letter of condolence should be a simple and short, as well as a few words of praise for the person whose death has occurred. See, here is example, that is letter of condolence on the death of an employee. Dear Srimati Khandelwal, it is addressed to the wife of that employee. It is with great grief and shock that I learned about the passing away of your husband. We know that he had been ailing for some time, but none could imagine that he would suddenly leave for heavenly abode. My feelings of grief and anguish are shared by my colleagues and all those who knew him. They join me in conveying to you our heartfelt condolences. We pray to God to grant you fortitude to bear the irreparable loss. Please accept our deepest sympathies for the death of a fine man. May God rest his soul in peace. I am here enclosing a copy of the condolence resolution passed by the Employees Union of the company. With kind regards, yours sincerely, Shantanu Dutt. See, here how the particular sentences written to express the great grief for that employee's death. Next, reply of that letter, that is written by Srimati Khandelwal. That is, Dear Sri Datta, thank you for your letter conveying your sympathy at the loss of my husband. It gives me some comfort to know that so many of you share my grief and stand by me and my family in this hour of sorrow with kind regards. See, this is the reply of only two sentences and how it is written. Next part, letter of sympathy. Dear Mr. D'Souza, I was very sorry to learn that you had to be hospitalized yesterday. I do hope that you will be feeling better by the time you get this note. An active person like you will be impatient to get back to normal activity. But I am sure you will also realize the importance of complete rest until you get back your strength. Accept my best wishes for your speedy recovery. We are all with you in this hour of need. With kind regards, sincerely yours, B.M. Sinha. See how the letter of sympathy is written for the uh, employee or the business uh, partners or the counterpart in the business. So here we learned letter of thanks, letter of appreciation, and letter of condolence and sympathy. There is a reply to the letter of condolence on the death of an employee, and letter of sympathy about the sickness of the partner or the sickness of the employee from the company. Here we end up of our this module business correspondence. Here we learn four parts of it, that is structure of the business letter, types of the business letters, business inquiry letter, letter of complaint, mass communication circular letters, that is circular letter informing change in address, opening a new branch, circular letter announcing the retirement of a partner, a circular letter informing increase in price. And next part we learn fourth part, that is social communication to letter, social communication letters to maintain goodwill, the letter of congratulations, its reply, again second part letter of invitation, its acceptance or regret letter, after that letter of thanks, letter of appreciation, letter of condolences and sympathy. In the next lecture we will learn about the next module, which is again related to the your communication skills, module number 6, telephonic communication. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.